Today, we'll be installing our outless valve cover adapters. So right now we're going to be removing this ugly OEM valve cover, and we're going to be adding our nice outless dress up adapter kits. When receiving our outless coil cover adapters, you will get 2 coil cover adapters and all hardware needed to install. So the simple tools needed to install these outless coil cover adapter kits are 10mm wrench, 10mm socket, 6mm Allen head, and an inch-pound torque wrench. Before mounting your outless coil cover adapter kit, we recommend that you pre-configure your coil mounting studs because there are 3 different types of configurations. Next, what I'll do is I'll clean the heads for any residue that'll cause leaks. Now that the heads are clean, we're ready to mount our adapters. When mounting your adapters, you want to make sure that you don't pinch any of the gasket and that it seals properly. Start adding our bolts. Tying down the adapter. When bolting down your adapters, you want to make sure that you torque them down to spec, which is 106 pounds. Once your adapters are bolted down to spec, you want to slide on these spacers to space down your coils. Now that our adapters are torqued to spec, we can now lay the coils on the studs to our preset configuration. Next, we can put our spark plug wires on. Now that your spark plug wires have been connected, you can go ahead and connect the coils. We will be using a retro fin collection valve cover. So now with their gasket and studs in place, now we can connect the PVC valves to any hoses. And we're ready to install our valve cover. Line up the holes, slide it in there. Make sure that the gasket and any connector wires are not getting pinched. And as easy as that, we wrap this project up.